Alright, let's continue with question number 5. In this case, they say that write down two matrices. Let's go to questions. And they want to find out two matrices whose product will give the amount of money the drinks machine to each day and evaluate this product. So write down first and calculate. So this one is 4 points there. So let's write it down first. Okay, the first part is 12, 9, 8, 11, and then 2, 3, 5, 2, 1, 0, 1, 0. So the first column is coffee, second column is tea, and last column is Coca-Cola. And then the price coffee is 0.5, 0. So which means if I multiply the first row and the first column, so 12 is multiplied with the 0.5, and the next one is 0.45, 0.4, and the last one is 0.45. So you notice that I'll take 12 times 0.5, 12 times 0.5, 2 times 0.4, 1 times 0.45. 12 is the coffee on Tuesday, 2 is the number of teas on Tuesday, and 1 is the number of cola on Tuesday. So this is how you set up. And now when we multiply them, row times column. So first row is 12 times 0.5, which is 6, 2 times 0.4, which is 0.8, 1 times 0.45, which is 0.45. So 0.8 plus 0.45, which is 1.25, plus 6, 1.25 plus 6 is 7.25. So the first row, first column, 7.25. And then you continue with the second row, one column. So 9 times 0.5 is 4.5 plus 1.5, 1.2. 3 times 0.4 is 1.2. So it's 5.7. Third row in column, 8 times 25 is 4 plus 2, so $6.45. And then last row, 11 times 550 plus 80 cents, $6.30. So if I read to write down, rewrite them again. So it's $6.30. So technically you will notice that, okay, we write this on the side, 725, 570, 645, and 630. So it's actually row times column, row times column, row times column, and row times column. Okay, so if you notice that, let me erase this. You notice that this is actually a 4 by 3 matrix, and this 3 by 1. So the middle part is the same, so you left 4 by 1 matrix. Okay, let's continue with the second part. Hence, write down the total amount of money taken by the machine for this total amount. So it's very easy, you just add them up. So total amount equal to, just write down is 1 point. So you just add them up and solve. It's 25 cents plus 45 cents, 70, 170. So 70 cents at the back. $1 plus 24 is $25.70. Next part, matrix X and Y are such that, so I'm looking for find the matrix of Y. They're looking for matrix Y. So they tell you XY equal to I. So in order to find Y, you have to get rid of the X first. So you do the inverse of X, multiply by XY. So you have Y equal to inverse of X times the identity. So when you find an identity, means that y is just equal to the inverse of I, because whatever multiplied by the identity will become itself. So inverse of I is 1 over 2 times 1 minus 4 times -5. And then here is 1, 2, reverse the order and then change the operation sign in front of it. So you get 2 plus 20 is 1 over 22, and then 4, no, it's 1, 5, -4 and 2. That's the final answer.